Hello everyone, I'm Yulia. In today's video, let's talk about different types of diagrams and business models. If you're a business analyst or project manager or project owner or data analyst, chances are you have to create business models to support stakeholder communication, to support understanding of the project goals, and to capture the results of your analysis. Today, I will tell you about two main categories of business models. Let's take a look. First of all, what is a diagram? A diagram is a simplified drawing that shows you something from real life. It could be appearance, structure, or workings of something, a schematic representation of a real life phenomena process. The two main types of diagrams are those that are focused on structure and those that are focused on behavior. When we are talking about structure, we are talking about various components, objects, relationships, or parts of a whole. So your model shows you how that big thing is composed of smaller things and what are the relationships between them. When we are talking about behavior, we are talking about showing how things change with time, showing actions, behavior, steps, and changes. Let's take a look at the examples in each category. When we are modeling structure, what can we model? We can model the context of your project, system, or process. What are the entities that it has to communicate and work with? What is the context of something important to you? That's going to be a context model. I do have a video on context modeling. I'll provide you with a link. Another one is a conceptual data model where you display the main concepts or data entities that are important to the business and show how they relate to one another. These conceptual models help you capture main terminology, understanding, and a relationship between important concepts. I also have a video on that I will provide to you. The next example is familiar to all of us, organizational structure. Org structure shows you how parts of organization work together and usually also include reporting relationships. And it could be product breakdown structure. A typical planning of the product would include taking the big product, breaking it down into features, breaking it down into small functionalities. And of course, if you work with Agile and with user stories, you will also recognize that a user story map is also one of the ways to present product breakdown structure. Let's take a look at modeling behavior. When we are modeling behavior, the classical example in business analysis and functional analysis, of course, is a process flow. You're modeling a process which is a sequence of activities performed by one or more actors to achieve a result. You can create a use case diagram, and a use case diagram, especially if you think about business use case diagram level, shows you how different actors are going to use a system or a solution. And you can also create a state transition diagram which focuses on the states of important entities, for example, transaction, invoice, customer, or contract, and show you how that important entity changes from one state to another based on what triggers, conditions, or activities. I do have a video about process modeling and how to create business use case diagram. I'm also going to create one on state transition diagram. Stay tuned for that. So if you are a business analyst or want to become one, if you are a business leader who works on enterprise projects, if you're planning digital transformation, anytime you're involved in projects, you can use a business diagram, you can use a business model to simplify communication. Take a look at these very frequently used types of diagrams. You can use my videos, and for more information, sign up for my course, Business Analysis for Professionals Changing Careers. And you will be surprised how models can quickly and easily improve communication and help with understanding on any project. Happy modeling!